3 years ago, the population of city was 1,50,000. If the annual growth rates of population in the last 3 years were 2%, 4%, and 5% respectively, find the population of city after 3 years. So rates are different, 2%, 4%, 5%. In this case, we know the formula. If rates are different, for final population, we have formula PT is equal to P0 times 1 plus R1 by 100, 1 plus R2 by 100, 1 plus R3 by 100. That formula we have to use. Initial population is 1,50,000 and we have to find out the final population. So initial population is this one. Next time is 3 years, but we don't have to use it. You use the formula ma time t ko kai pani use hudaina. If rates are different bhayeko case ma formula ma time t ko use hudaina. We have to use rate as well as principal only. And final population we have to calculate. It is said to find the population of city after 3 years. And you are observing the formula on your screen, and we discussed about it 2 days ago. Now put values. Put value of R1, R2, R3 and simplify after putting value of R1, R2 as well as R3. What is value of 1 plus 2 by 100?
1.02.
1.02. And next one will be 1.04.
04.
Next one
1.05.
So those values you have to write here in next step. Now multiply these all.
16,007.6.
1,67,076.
76.
This is the final answer, and we have to say therefore the population after 3 years is 1,67,076. And this is our required answer. If anyone have any confusion in any line, you may ask.
No, sir.
If there is no confusion, let's move to next. 2 years ago, the population of town was 54,000 with 5% growth rate. If 8,046 people migrated to town and 5,089 migrated from that town to another places at present, find the present population of that town. So while discussing about this chapter on very first day of starting of this chapter, I said that if some people migrated in the town, कुनै टाउनमा, कुनै शहरमा, बजारमा या गाउँमा मान्छेहरू बसाइ सरेर आए, if they are migrated in, we have to add that number to our final number. Similarly, if they are migrated out, त्यहाँबाट बसाइ सरेर कतै अन्त गयो भने that population is subtracted from our population.
Yes.
Other things are same. That means initial population is 54,000. Time is how many years? 2 years. And growth rate is 5%. Growth rate 5%. You suppose use your PT find out final population. And on that population, add this 8,046 as well as subtract 5,089. So there is the simple. At first, write given things. Initial population is 54,000. Time 2 years. Growth rate 5%. In migrated population 8,046. Out migrated population is 5,089. And we have to find out the final population. And we have formula for PT. P0 times 1 plus R by 100 power T. So put all values. P0 is 54,000 times 1 plus R is 5 by 100 square. 1 plus 5 by 100, it is 1.05. Its square. Find out its square. 1.1025.
Yes, sir.
Now multiply it with 54,000.
59,535.
It is 59,535. We have to add this in migrated population and we have to subtract this out migrated population. You come last magar. Therefore, final population of that village is equal to 59,535 plus 8046 minus 5089. And this will give us final answer 62,492.
Yes, sir.
This is the most important question. अलि फरक छ इन माइग्रेटेड आउट माइग्रेटेड समटाइम वर्षको सुरुमै माइग्रेट भएर आए या वर्षको सुरुमै माइग्रेट भएर गए भने पनि हुन्छ द्याट टाइप अफ क्वेसन अल्सो विल बी देयर तिमीले सल्भ गर्ने क्रममा पछि गएर फ्रम 10 सेट्स फ्रम 55 सेट्स or practice set you will get such type of question also. In that case we have to add or subtract in migrated and out migrated population from the initial population. वर्षको सुरुमै इन माइग्रेट भए या वर्षको सुरुमै आउट माइग्रेट भए भनेको छ भने इनिशियल पपुलेसनमै एड हुन्छ वा इनिशियल पपुलेसनबाटै माइनस हुन्छ त्यसपछि हामी यो फर्मुला युज गर्छौं अनि यसमा के भनेको छैन यति जना माइग्रेट भएर गए यति जना माइग्रेट भएर आए भनेको छ भने लास्टमा एड वा सबट्र्याक्ट हुन्छ अथवा एट द एन्ड अफ इयर इफ दिस मच people migrated to that town and out migrated from that town to other place भनेको छ भने लास्टमा एड वा सबट्र्याक्ट हुन्छ just remember it. Now let's move to next question, question number 5D. 3 years ago the population of town was 2 lakh. The rate of growth in first 2 years are 2% and 2.5% respectively, and decrease in third year by 1% due to natural disaster. Find the increased population in 3 years. 3 वर्षमा increase भएको population कति होला त्यो find out गरा भन्ने छ. So at first these two 2% and 2.5% are the increment rates, growth rates, and this third one 1% is decreasing rate. Population decrease भइराछ third year मा. त्यसैले while using formula for first 2 years we have to use 1 plus r1 by 100, next one 1 plus r2 by 100, and in third one we have to subtract 1 minus r3 by 100.
Yes.
Minus गर्नुपर्छ. Reason is in third year population is decreased, and to find out the increased population we discussed about final population only. फर्मुला मा हामीले फाइनल पपुलेसन को बारेमा मात्रै डिस्कस गरेका छौं. pt is equal to 1 plus r1 by 100 times 1 plus r2 by 100 times यसमा 1 minus r3 by 100 हुने हो. And to find out the increased population, initial population is subtracted from the
Final
total
population.
त्यसबाट इनिशियल पपुलेसनलाई माइनस गर्नु पर्यो. माइनस गरिसकेपछि p0 कमन आउँछ. And we can put that inside the big bracket. Just there is a slight different formula for increased population. So initial population is 2 lakh, time is 3 years, growth rates are 2% and 2.5% for first 2 years, and decreasing rate is 1% for third year. We have to find out the increased population, and we have formula increased population is equal to, this is p0 times 1 plus r1 by 100, 1 plus r2 by 100, and third one 1 minus r3 by 100. This minus 1 comes here after subtracting p0 from final population. Final population bata p0 minus गरेर p0 कमन लियौ दुईटैबाट, final population को formula बाट र यता p0 बाट, then it becomes -1 and bracket is closed. Now we have to put the values which we have. p0 is 2 lakh, r1 is 2%, r2 2.5%, r3 is 1%. So put these values. Increased population is equal to 2 lakh times 1 plus 2 by 100 times 1 plus 2.5 by 100 times 1 minus 1 by 100. यहाँ minus आयो किन population decrease भइराखेको हुनाले -1 and bracket closed. Now simplify it. What is value of 1 plus 2 by 100?
1.02.
And 1 plus 2.5 by 100?
1.025.
1.025. And 1 minus 1 by 100?
0.99.
0.99. So it is
Minus
20,000 times 1.02 into 1.05 to 0.99 and minus 1. Multiply these three and subtract 1 from that.
0.995045.
My calculation is clear.
No, sir. After minus 1.
After subtracting
After
0.
subtract. 0.
0.03045.
0.035045.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now multiply it with 2 lakh.
2 lakh. 7,009.
7,009 exactly.
Yes, sir.
So this is the final answer for us. Increased population in 3 years is 7,009. Okay. Now other remaining questions of the exercise are your homeworks. Let's see what are your homeworks. We did this question and remaining questions. Have you completed this one? Question number 4D.
Yes,
Or it is
sir.
remaining?
Completed.
Completed. And question number 5A we did now. 5B. The population of village increases every year by 5%. At the end of 2 years, the population of that village was 10,000. If 1,025 people migrated to another place, find the population of village before 2 years. What is initial population here?
Initial population is not given.
Initial population is not given.
We have
Find
to
the
find, sir. Yes.
village before 2 years. Initial population find out गर्नुपर्ने छ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then 10,000
Final population.
final population. Out of this 10,000, 1,025 people were migrated.
Migrated, yes.
Out migrated.
Out migrated. So what is its meaning?
We have to minus.
We have to subtract it, sir.
We have to subtract
Yes.
it.
Yes, sir.
Final population is equal to our PT minus which one? 1,000.
125.
Migrated.
Final population is 10,000. Final population of village given in question is 10,000. It is equal to PT from formula. Formula को जुन PT निकाल्छौं त्यसबाट 1025 minus गरेर आएको value. So to find out PT, we have to add this 1025 here. यता add हुन्छ PT उताबाट left side तिर लैजाँदा. त्यो 10,000 बाट minus गर्ने होइन. As we did in question number C. Question number C मा के गरेका थियौं final population निकाल्न. Final population is equal to population calculated from formula minus out migrated population. यस्तो गरे होइन त?
Yes, sir.
So here also we have to do same thing. Final population given according to question is equal to population calculated using formula minus 1025. We 1025 यता आएर plus हुन्छ. And PT. What is the value of PT? 11,025, isn't it? PT is 11,025. Then we have to use the formula. त्यसपछि PT को formula use गर्ने. R is 5%. R is 5%. PT final population for formula is 11,025. And time T is 2 years. By using it, you will get the initial population P0. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then next one, we already did these two questions. You duita गरिसक्यौं. And now we are going to discuss about compound depreciation. So while discussing about it, you may read it from your book. यहाँ भएको कुरा त पढ्न सकिहाल्छौ. जेनरल कुरा के हो भने compound depreciation किन युज हुन्छ त भन्दा, just for example, I have bought my computer 10 years ago. यो कम्प्युटर मैले 10 वर्ष पहिला किने हो के, which computer I am using for my class, and I spent 16,000 rupees for this computer plus 5,000 for a monitor, something other for near about 2,000 for other. सुरुमा यो कतिको भयो त यो कम्प्युटर टोटल मेरो? At this
23.
yes,
23,000.
Now if I want to sell this computer now, can I get the same price again? मैले 10 वर्ष अगाडि
No.
23 मा किनेको कम्प्युटर कसैले मलाई 23,000 अहिले दिन्छ त यसको प्राइस?
No.
दिदैन. किन दिदैन?
It is used.
It is old one.
Yes.
Efficiency is decreased. Rust भयो होला, कहीं के बिग्रियो होला. I maintain this, that different thing. यसलाई मैले मेन्टेनेन्स गरे, केही कुराहरु थपे, केही कुराहरु घटाए. Something I did, that is different thing. But actually, if I did not change everything, यो कम्प्युटरमा केही चेन्ज नगरेको भए यसको भ्यालु कसैले पनि 23,000 जो मैले 10 वर्ष अगाडि किनेको त्यति पैसा यसमा दिदैन, because it is older one and its efficiency or everything, its performance is decreased during 10 years. हो, तो जसरी यो भ्यालु डिक्रिज भयो, मानौ someone will tell I will buy your computer on 10,000 rupees. यो कम्प्युटर 10,000 रुपैयाँ मात्रै किन्छु भन्छ कसैले. The value is decreased from 23,000 to 10,000. यो कम्प्युटरको भ्यालु 23,000 बाट डिक्रिज भएर कति भयो त? This becomes 10,000 only. So this process is called depreciation. यही कुनै प्रपर्टीको भ्यालु डिक्रिज भएर कम हुने प्रोसेस हुन्छ, त्यसलाई डेप्रिसिएसन भन्ने हो. अनि यो वर्ष वर्ष डिक्रिज हुन्छ एज लाइक compound interest, compound amount, जो population decrease हुन्छ त्यसरी नै यो पनि डिक्रिज हुन्छ. For example, let me give another example for my house. Land को त price increase हुँदै गइरहेछ. So we can't discuss about land in case of depreciation. जग्गाको केसमा हामी प्राइस डिक्रिज हुँदैन, इन्क्रिज हुन्छ, त्यसै डेप्रिसिएसनको केस भएन. But in case of house, if I spend 40 lakhs to construct my house, अहिले मैले 40 लाख रुपैयाँ एउटा घर कन्स्ट्रक्ट गर्नमा खर्च गरे. 10 वर्षपछि कसैले यो घरको प्राइस 40,000 दिन्छ त? If I want to sell my house after 10 years. 10 वर्षपछि खिएला, कहीँनिर फुट्ला, पेन्टहरु खराब होला, फुट्लान, यसको प्राइस डिक्रिज हुँदै जान्छ. हो, यो प्रोसेसलाई हामी डेप्रिसिएसन भन्छौँ. अनि यो प्रोसेस पनि सेम कम्पाउन्ड इन्ट्रेस्ट जस्तै कम्पाउन्डेड हरेक वर्ष कम्पाउन्डेड रूपमा डिक्रिज हुँदै जान्छ. And formula are also similar to compound interest or compound amount or population decrease. Population जसरी डिक्रिज भएकोमा माइनस गरेको थियो, यो प्राइस डिक्रिज हुने हुनाले यसमा पनि फर्मुलामा डिक्रिमेन्टकै फर्मुला युज हुन्छ, माइनस. After use of some time, the value will decrease. I have written there assets, value of assets, properties we can say, will decrease yearly at the certain rate. के रेटले त्यो डिक्रिज हुन्छ. गभर्नमेन्ट प्रपर्टीहरुको लागि एउटा रेट गभर्नमेन्टले तोकेकै हुन्छ. प्राइभेट फर्महरुको लागि पनि डेप्रिसिएसन एस्टिमेट गर्ने अडिटरहरु वा फर्महरु हुन्छन्, उनीहरुले डेप्रिसिएसन एस्टिमेट गरेर, फर एक्जाम्पल एउटा अफिसमा कपबोर्ड छ, कम्प्युटर छ, टेबलहरु छन्, चेयर्सहरु छन्, कार्पेट छन्, तिनीहरुको भ्यालु डिक्रिज गर्दै जान्छन्. यसको सर्टेन प्रोसेस हुन्छ, यति % डिक्रिज गर्ने. यो सामानको जस्तो मानौ कि टेबल छ, if table is made up of steel, त्यसको भ्यालु डिक्रिज कम होला. if table is made up of ply, त्यसको भ्यालु छिटो डिक्रिज होला. if table is made up of pure wood, राम्रो काठबाट, सालको काठबाट बनेको छ भने त्यसको भ्यालु पनि डिक्रिज कम होला. in place of the table made up of ply, प्लाईबाट बनेको टेबलको भ्यालु जति छिटो डिक्रिज हुन्छ, काठको टेबलको भ्यालु त्यति छिटो डिक्रिज हुँदैन. त्यस्तै स्टिल दराज वा प्लाईबाट बनेको वुडन कपबोर्ड, तिनीहरुको भ्यालुमा फरक होला. त्यसैले सर्टेन रेट्सहरु डिफरेन्ट हुन्छन्. And so if such type of rates are given to us, if V0 is original value भनेको सुरुको प्राइस हामीले किन्दाखेरिको प्राइस अथवा हामीले इन्भेस्ट गर्दाखेरिको प्राइस, VT is value after T year, T वर्षपछि जस्तो 10 वर्षपछि यसको भ्यालु कति होला भने मैले कम्प्युटरको एक्जाम्पल, and T is number of years. While giving example of computer, I say 10 years, so that is time T years. To find out the value after T years, final value of property, of final value of assets, final value of an article, goods, त्यसको लागि initial price, initial value times 1 minus R by 100 power T. This is the formula to find out the final value under depreciation. Next one, decreased value. कति value decrease भयो त? We have to subtract final value from initial value. V0 बाट final value VT minus गर्नुपर्ने हो अनि minus गरेपछि 0 कमन आएर यो बन्यो formula. Similarly, if rates for different years are different, अलग अलग वर्षको लागि अलग अलग रेट आयो, जस्तो उता compound amount or in population growth we discussed about it. त्यसरी नै यहाँ पनि रेट्सहरु डिफरेन्ट छन् भने in that case final value is equal to initial value times 1 minus R by 100, 1 minus R2 by 100, 1 minus R3 by 100 times divided up to 1 minus RT by 100. यो RT भनेको T year को लागि rate, अलग अलग rate दिएको त्यसैले. If rates are different, in similar way we can find out the decreased value also. V0 बाट यो भ्यालुलाई माइनस गर्यो भने फेरि डिक्रिज भ्यालु आउँछ अनि V0 कमन आएपछि 1 minus big bracket 1 minus and this value will get big bracket closed. So I think concept of depreciation is also clear.
Yes, sir.
We will start this exercise in next class. That means today is Friday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sunday.
Today
Friday.
we start this exercise. Once we complete previous exercise, and if problem comes again, you may ask to me. And this much for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Take care. Stay safe.
Take care. Bye bye.